Before we start today's video, I would want to go ahead and ask you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our future videos. Hello everybody and welcome back to Luxurious Life, and today we'll be talking about 10 strange inventions that made people super wealthy. Number 1. Lucky Break Wishbones. If you weren't lucky when it came to the yearly fight for the one and only turkey wishbone, then the Lucky Break Wishbone is perfect for you. Ken Ahonry is the man behind this product. He came up with it when during a Thanksgiving dinner with his family in 1999, he saw how several people wanted to have their own wishbone. Now then, in 2004, he then decided to close his consulting business to launch the Lucky Break Wishbone Corporation and officially start selling his unique breakable plastic wishbones. In just a matter of 2 years, the company was able to generate almost $1 million in sales through its distributions in over 40 states all over the nation. For our number 2 spot, we have Yellow Smiley Faces. With an estimated profit of over $500 million, the Yellow Smiley Face is the creation of Murray and Bernard Spain. They wanted to open their own novelty store, so they decided to buy the exclusive rights to those Yellow Smiley Faces that you see almost everywhere today. They even purchased the Have a Nice Day tagline to come with it. They put these words and images on everything, which has paved the way to a $50 million net worth in the first year and a half of their business alone.
Phenomenon, but really caring more about the style of the products, the choice of our partners, and really repositioning it as a cool.
Number 3, slap bracelets. You probably loved these when you were a kid. In fact, many children had 5 or more of these, some even slapping all of them on at the same time. Slap bracelets are the creation of Stuart Andrews, which helped him hit the jackpot. Before his invention, Andrews was just a simple and ordinary high school shop teacher. Now the bracelets made him between $6 to $8 million in 1990 alone. For our number 4 spot, we have the $1 Million Homepage. The story behind the $1 Million Homepage is so out of this world that you might not even believe it. It's the creation of Alex 2, a British 21-year-old, and he made a homepage where he sold 1 pixels for $1 each. According to his creation, he even reached out to the heart of the public with his goal of using the homepage to pay for his college studies. 2's charity case got all the attention of advertisers, and in just little bits over a year, the site was able to sell out all the pixels. At
by selling each pixel on a 1000 by 1000 pixel web page for $1 a pixel, which were image-based links. Apparently, buying these things would be great.
Number 5, we have the Snuggie. The real reason behind the success of the Snuggie was its advertising campaign. The Snuggie, an invention of Scott Boland from All Star Productions, was advertised in ridiculous infomercials that featured families who wore the Snuggie as they roasted marshmallows and attended sports events. Boylan said that he took this kind of approach because the product was already ridiculous in nature, and advertising it in an equally ridiculous way made perfect sense. This approach worked, earning more than $200 million in sales. At number 6, we have Santa Mail. Every single year, millions and millions of kids all over the world write letters to Santa, hoping that he would send them back a response. Brian Reese saw the potential in this market, which is why he decided to launch Santa Mail in 2002. This service lets kids send their letters to the North Pole, and their parents then included a small fee of only $9.95, and in exchange, the kids then received a personalized letter straight from Santa Claus himself. In 2009 alone, Santa Mail was able to send responses to around 300,000 kids. Do the math. With every single letter making $10, you can calculate how much Reese was actually able to earn from this service.
Santa toy.
You want a Santa Claus toy?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead, write that down.
Yellow got red too.
Yeah.
At number 7, we have the Wacky Wall Walker. Ken Haktu's mother deserves to be named as the person behind his success, because after all, she was the one who sent Haktu to the first ever Wacky Wall Walker as a gift from China. With his fascination for the toy, which seems to walk down any wall that it's thrown at, Hakuda decided to purchase the rights to it at $100,000 and started to market it in DC. The product sales were not originally great until a Washington Post reporter saw the item and wrote an article about it. The article generated a lot of buzz about the product and helped it become one of the world's best-selling marketing fads of all time. In just a matter of months, over 240 million were sold, and Hakuda earned over $80 million. At number 8, we have the Tamagotchi. The 90s was made more exciting by the Tamagotchi, a pet simulation device that kids and adults alike both fell in love with. After all, this creation by the Japanese toy maker, Bandai, was a great alternative to owning and looking after a real pet. Over 70 million Tamagotchis were sold, and at its peak, one Tamagotchi was sold every second. At number 9, we have the Pet Rocked. Gary Dahl is the person behind this great invention. The estimated profit is about $15 million in just 6 months. The concept of selling a rock may be ridiculous, however, Gary Dahl figured out how to sell them and made millions in just a few months. He became a millionaire by selling rocks for only $3.95 on the bed of hay. Every sale earned him about $3. Dahl sold rocks as hassle-free pets, which came with a cardboard box and a pet training manual. These rocks became an instant hit and are one of the most successful fads of all time. At number 10, we have the iFart app. Now, this app was invented by Joel Cohn. He was challenging his inner middle school boy when he created iFart. This app basically makes your phone into a whoopee cushion. It's available for 99 cents on iTunes and was downloaded many times during its first 2 weeks on the market. As of now, Cohn, along with his own company, has earned somewhere near $400,000. Well guys, that is all for today. I hope that you liked the video, and if you do, please make sure to go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button as well, so that you never miss out on any more amazing videos from us. Thank you all so much for watching, and have an awesome and fantastic day.